Hello guys, once again welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to explain this problem binary tree zigzag level order traversal. I will be explaining the approach, the concept, and we'll code it in C++ language. Let's get started. It is given here that given the root of the binary tree, we'll be given a root of a binary tree, and then we have to perform this zigzag level order traversal. What does it mean? It means that we'll we will traverse one level from left to right and then the next level from right to left and so on. Let me make it clear to you with an example. Suppose this is a binary tree 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and if I want to perform the zigzag level order traversal, what I need to do, I have to start visiting the nodes starting from the root node. I will visit this node 1, then the next level I'll visit from left to right, and what comes first in the left, it comes 2, then comes 3, and then again I will change my direction. It was left to right. Now in the next level it will become right to left. Initially it must be from right to left. Again, as from the direction is from right to left, I will start with 7. I will write 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. This is the zigzag level order traversal of this binary tree. Now how we are going to achieve that? We know that we use a queue for performing normal level order traversal, in which each level will be traversed from left to right direction. Left to right, 2 3 1, then 2 3, then 4 5 6 7. So here is slight difference. We have to change the direction, and for this purpose I am going to use two stack. Why two stack? One stack will for the current level and other stack for the next level. And when the level changes, I have completed the traversal of this level, my stacks will be swapped. Whatever is placed at this stack that is in the next level will come in the stack that was previously holding the current level, and next will become empty again. Next stack and the other stack will become empty again. Now the thing that is remaining is how we are going to manage the direction. The direction will be right to left or left to right. This for this we are going to use a bool variable. The direction has two states, from left to right or from right to left. So and we know that bool variable also have only two states, true or false. So it can be used for storing that information, what is our current direction. Initially we'll start with right to left, and as in this label we want our nodes from left to right, but for the stack we must start inserting the nodes from the right. We will first insert this node 3. Why? As we know the behavior of the stack, whatever comes first in the stack goes out at the end. So we want this to be in our stack at the end, so that it comes first when all the elements are extracted from the stack. 3 will come in the stack, then 2 will come. So while extracting, 2 will come first, as we want to first before 3. So 2 will come, then 3 will come. So for this level we'll start inserting initial level we'll start inserting in the stack from left node. We'll insert first left node, then right node, and in this level we'll insert right node, then left node. After having said that, let me code it so that it becomes more clear to you. I'll start with creation of the stacks which I have talked about. Stacks will be of tree node start type, as they are going to store the nodes of the our binary tree. Tree node star, let's name it st1, and let's make another stack quickly. Tree node star st2. After that, after it, let me create vector of vector int for storing my answer. Let's name it answer, and I will create vector of int that will store all the nodes of a particular label, and then each of this vector I am going to insert in my answer, as this answer stores all vectors. We cannot insert simply values in it, we have to insert vector. It holds vector of int. After that, we'll start checking from here the case, the corner case, that is if root is empty, because if we have a look at this constraints, it is given here that root can be, number of nodes can be 0, means root can be null. If root comes null, then we have to return empty answer. We'll check here if not root, means root is empty, and this not of empty, not of null means true. This if will get executed, and I'm going to return answer which is holding nothing currently, it is empty. After checking that, I know that root is not empty, so I'm going to insert this root in my stack 1. That will become that stack 1 is now holding the nodes of the current level, that is first level. I will push root. Now I am placing here a while loop for traversal, and what will be the exiting condition of this while loop? It will be till our stack 1 is not empty, means till there are elements in my stack, till there are elements in my current label. So I'll put not of st dot empty. When it will become empty, the st dot empty will become true, and not of true will become false, and control will move out of this while loop. Inside this while loop, I'm going to get whatever is placed at the top of my stack, current stack. So it is going to be the variable of tree node start type. Let's name it item, and it is going to store st1 dot top. All right. Now, as we have a copy of whatever is placed at the top of the stack 1, I can simply pop it out of my stack. I will remove from my stack st1 dot pop. st1 dot pop. Now I can insert it into my vector vac, the value which I have just extracted from the stack. I am currently visiting this element. So vac dot push back item. As item is a node itself, I have to insert the value, and what is the name given to value here? Val. So I will insert value of this item, val. Now after inserting the current node which I am visiting into my vector, I will start inserting its children to the children which are at the next level to the another vector. And for doing this, I am checking the direction, and I have not created direction variable. Let me create it. Bool direction, which will be, let's take it true initially, and then come to this if condition, and we know that first we have to insert, as initially it is true, this condition will get executed, and at initial label we have to insert the nodes from left to first left node then right node, because we wind our traversal from right direction to left direction. So we'll insert here first left. We'll check if left exists or not. If left exists, then stack 2 insert its value, its uh, left in my stack 2 items left. I will check again if items right exist or not. If it exists, then insert it into my stack push items right. Now what if it is false? Direction is storing false. That means we are working for the next level, and in next level first we have to insert right node. First I will change the order. I will just copy from here and paste it. I'll first check the right and insert it, then next level. The same thing, just the order is changed in if and else condition. Now after this I will check if current level becomes empty, means my stack 1 will becomes empty when all the elements of current level are traversed. Then we can simply push back my vector to my final answer. Push back vector. And now I can also change the direction, as my I have to move on to the next level. Direction will be not of direction, current direction. And we have to swap the stacks, because the stack 2 that is holding the nodes of the next level will now hold the nodes of the current level, which is stack 1. So stack 2 will become stack 1. Let's do it here. I will create a temporary stack for the purpose of swapping. Stack of 3 node star temp, that is st1. st1 is equals to st2. st2 is equals to temp. Direction is changed. I have swapped the stacks and put it the vector in the answer, and now I have to make it empty again. This vector which is holding the nodes, the values of the particular level, and after this while loop I can return my answer, which is holding the nodes in particular order. And the code is completed. Now let's run it. There is some typo here, st1, because I am checking here stack 1 current stack. All the test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. So hope you liked the video and understood the concept. If you have any doubt remaining, you can ask me in the comment box, and please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.